Good morning. Please come in. Good morning, doctor. Thank you. Please have a seat. What brings you here today? Doctor, I've been feeling very tired for the last few weeks. Tiredness for a few weeks. Anything else? Yes. Sometimes I feel dizzy. I also have mild headaches, especially in the morning. I see. Do you sleep well at night? Not really. I keep waking up in the middle of the night. How many hours do you sleep? Maybe 5 hours, sometimes less. That's not enough. Are you under stress? Yes, doctor. My work is very stressful. I sit in front of a computer all day. Okay. Any pain in your eyes or neck? Yes, my eyes burn sometimes and my neck feels stiff. Do you exercise regularly? No, I don't get time. I leave home early and return late. You need to make time. Your body needs movement. I know, doctor, but it's hard with my job. I understand, but even 20 minutes a day can help a lot. Okay, I'll try. What do you think is the problem? From what you've told me, it sounds like your body is reacting to stress, lack of sleep, and long screen time. So, is it serious? It's not dangerous right now, but you must take care before it becomes serious. What should I do? I will suggest some tests, just to be sure. Blood test, BP check, and eye test. Okay, I'll do them. Also, reduce your screen time. Try using anti-glare glasses and take a 5-minute break every 30 minutes. All right, and the headaches? I'll give you a mild medicine for now. But if the headaches continue, come back. Okay, doctor, can I eat normally? Yes, but eat healthy. More fruits, vegetables, and drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. I usually drink only 2 to 3 glasses a day. That's too little. Dehydration also causes tiredness and headaches. Thank you, doctor. I didn't know that. No problem. That's what I'm here for. When should I come for the reports? Come back in 2 days. And don't forget the tests. I won't. Thank you for your time, doctor. You're welcome. Take care of your health. See you soon. See you, doctor. Bye. Thank you for watching. We hope this conversation helped you learn real, everyday English. Practice speaking with your friends or repeat the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English conversations. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep improving. Bye-bye.